Hey guys, monsoon is in the full bloom, and while rain can make a lot of things better, it can play havoc on your immunity system, especially when COVID-19 pandemic is around. Damp and humid weather is a perfect environment for the microbes to grow and thrive. Prevention is definitely the key to boost immunity. There are many immune boosting foods, among them one is omega-3 fatty acid. And in this video, we will expose the interesting facts about omega-3 fatty acids. The essential omega-3 fatty acid is not just to boost your brain and heart health, but it also plays a pivotal role in strengthening your immune response. Typically found in fatty fish, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and plant oils, it works by enhancing the activity of white blood cells that further fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Omega-3 fatty acid can also reduce inflammation because of its anti-inflammatory property, thereby speeding the recovery process after you catch the infection. Fatty acids are found inside your body everywhere. They can be found inside the cell membrane, in microbiota, in adipose composition. They participate in immune cell differentiation and function, helps in malonyl coenzyme A productions to help maintain the energy and energy stores inside the body. Fatty acids also regulate the gene expression by HDAC inhibition. They are also involved in GPR activation for cellular signaling, and so on and so forth. So one of the very most important kind of fatty acids are omega-3, which are most essential for the human health. That is why they are known as the magic bullet for human health. Out of various functions of omega-3 fats which they perform inside our body, the most important ones are the relaxation and contraction of the muscles, blood clotting, digestion, fertility, cell division, movement of calcium and other substances in and out of the cell. Omega-3 fatty acids are of three types, namely alpha-linolenic acid, in short ALA, icosapentaenoic acid, in short EPA, docosahexaenoic acid, in short DHA. So what are omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 fatty acids are a group of polyunsaturated fatty acids, and this amazing nutrient has lots of important functions inside our body. They belong to group of essential fatty acids which our body cannot make. So we need, in order to survive, we should take the dietary supplement. We should be eating the foods that contain the omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are important part of a person's nutrition since they contribute to the basic health of all the cells in the body. Fish are the best source of omega-3 fatty acid, and some plants also contain omega-3 fatty acids. So what are the sources of omega-3 fatty acids? For the non-vegetarians who eat fish, the freshwater fishes are preferable as compared to the other fishes because they contain less amount of heavy metals. So freshwater fish such as salmon, mackerel and anchovies are on highest priority. Eggs also are known to contain the omega-3 fatty acids. For the vegetarians, it is a good news that you can get omega-3 fatty acids from Brussels sprouts, walnuts, canola oil, seaweed. Broccoli also contains omega-3 fatty acid. So are soya beans, spinach, cashews, holy basil and flaxseed. So it is a very good news for all the beautiful ladies out there that omega-3 fatty acids are related to skin and beauty. How? Well, omega-3 fatty acids reduces the risk of acne and protect the skin from sun damage. It also reduces the premature aging of your skin. DHA is responsible for the health of the cell membranes, which make up a large part of your skin. And a healthy cell membrane results in the soft, moist, supple and a wrinkle-free skin. Omega-3s also prevent hyperkeratinization of the hair follicles. Omega-3 fatty acids are not just related to beautify your skin and the hair, but it also helps to fight depression and anxiety. People who consume omega-3 regularly are less likely to be depressed. EPA is effective against depression as a common antidepressant drug because it influences cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Low omega-3 levels have been reported in people with psychiatric disorders. Omega-3s are beneficial for healthy brain function, often associated with your mood, particularly when it comes to the negative emotions such as stress and anxiety. Since now we know that omega-3 fatty acid improves brain health, taking DHA improves memory and learning. Omega-3 fatty acids are in fact considered to be an important building block of your brain. So it is hardly surprising that this nutrient is so often linked with brain function. As a natural anti-inflammatory, it can help to reduce inflammation in the brain, which can disrupt crucial brain signals and improve the brain function. Getting enough omega-3s during pregnancy is associated with numerous benefits for your child, including higher intelligence, better communication and social skills, fewer behavioral problems, decreased risk of developmental delay, decreased risk of ADHD, autism and cerebral palsy. Also, higher omega-3 intake is related to decreased risk of age-related cognitive decline and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3s are not just related to your skin, your hair, help to combat the depression and the anxiety, improves the brain and intelligence, but also it improves the eye health. Yes, omega-3 fatty acid is a key structural component of your retina. Retina, which is a part of your eye that is needed for visual recognition. It reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the world's leading cause of permanent eye damage and blindness. So if you are not getting the right intake of omega-3 in your diet, it may have a knock-on effect on your vision. The most important thing about omega-3 fatty acid is it improves the heart functions. Researchers observed that the fish-eating communities had a very low rates of heart attack, which may be linked to omega-3 consumption. Omega-3s can cause major reduction in triglycerides. It can reduce the blood pressure level in the people with high blood pressure. Omega-3 can raise good cholesterol level. It lowers the bad cholesterol level. It keeps blood platelets from clumping together. So this helps to prevent the formation of harmful blood clots. By keeping your arteries smooth and free from damage, omega-3s help prevent the plaque that can restrict and harden your arteries. Omega-3s reduces the production of substances released during your body's inflammatory response. Not only omega-3 fatty acid improves the heart function, but also it reduces the fat in your liver. Omega-3 fatty acid gives your liver the antioxidant it needs. So supplementing with omega-3 fatty acid effectively reduces liver fat and inflammation in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. Omega-3s can reduce insulin resistance and inflammation and improve heart disease risk factor in people with metabolic syndromes also. So it also reduces the risk of cancer in addition to your reducing fat in your liver and improving the heart function. Omega-3 consumption is linked to the reduced risk of prostate cancer in men and breast cancer in women, And people who consume the most omega-3s have up to a 55% lower risk of colon cancer. Women with evidence of high intake ratios of marine omega-3 acids such as eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid relative to omega-3 arachidonic acid have been found to have a reduced risk of breast cancer. Omega-3s are also involved in the fight inflammation. Omega-3s reduce the production of molecules and substances linked to inflammation such as inflammatory eicosanoids and cytokines. Studies have consistently observed a connection between the higher omega-3 intake and reduced inflammation. Various studies conducted by the scientists have shown that the fish oil supplement can help reduce joint pain and stiffness and may also boost the effectiveness of anti-inflammatory drugs. EPA and DHA also limit the production of certain negative proteins that inhibit certain type of arthritis. There are several studies which associate omega-3 consumption with a lower risk of asthma in children and young adults. Omega-3s improve bone strength and joint health, potentially reducing your risk of osteoporosis and arthritis. It improves the bone strength by boosting the amount of calcium in your bone, which would lead to reduced risk of osteoporosis. Omega-3 fats play a role in keeping your joint healthy by restoring and supplementing joint tissues. Natural chemicals provide the joints with proper lubrication. This reduces the rubbing together of joints and helps minimize pain and strains. Omega-3 combat a lot of autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, fibromyalgia, Wegener's, granulomatous, thyroiditis, to improve your skin health, Graves' disease, psoriasis, vitiligo, eczema, reduces the risk of diabetic neuropathy, celiac disease, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, polymyalgia rheumatica, hemolytic severe pain during menstruation, mitosis. Women who take fish oil had less menstrual pain because of the natural anti-inflammatory action of omega-3 fish oil. There are some evidence that omega-3 can drive away period blues too. It may help to bring normal fluctuations under control and stabilize your mood. Not only it helps to alleviate menstrual pain, but also it improves the sleep. We all know very well that the sleep deprivation causes many diseases including obesity, diabetes and depression. Lower levels of omega-3 fatty acids are associated with sleep problems in children and obstructive sleep apnea in adults. Low levels of DHA are also linked to lower levels of the hormone melatonin, which helps you to fall asleep. Omega-3 fatty acid, especially the DHA, may improve the length and the quality of your sleep. So now the question is, when to avoid omega-3 fatty acids? So American Cancer Society recommends avoiding omega-3 fatty acid supplements in few conditions. First one is if you are taking anticoagulant medications on aspirin, because omega-3 fatty acid supplements may increase the risk of excessive bleeding. If the patient has elevated cholesterol level, omega-3 fatty acid supplements may continue to increase your cholesterol level. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should talk to their doctors before taking omega-3 supplements or actually any other dietary supplements. If you are menstruating, omega-3 fatty acid supplements may increase the tendency of developing anemia. So for all these patients, they should consult to the doctor before taking omega-3 fatty acid supplements. A large part of population is not getting enough omega-3 fats from their diet. Avoiding a deficiency in these essential fatty acids may help prevent many diseases. So go ahead and eat fatty fish, because fish is a great source of high quality protein and a healthy fat, such as omega-3 fatty acid. Studies show that the people who eat the most fish have a lower risk of several conditions including heart disease, dementia, and depression. Slide number. In order to boost your memory and overall brain health, increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acid, since you cannot escape from the biological law of cause and effect. Food choices are the most significant cause of disease. So guys, I hope you are now very well aware of the properties of omega-3 fatty acids. Never forget, health is wealth and prevention is better than cure. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and soon we will be back with our next health update. Till then, stay safe.